Hello guys, once again welcome back to Roots Gourmet Kitchen. Today I have a very simple dish for you. But first of all, I'd like to say to you thank you very much for your generosity in regards to some of my subscriptions and my beautiful comments that you guys have been making. And not forgetting the calls that I've been getting. I'm so humbled by your guys' generosity towards me. And I have to let you guys know that I really appreciate it. Today, I'm just going to do a really simple version of my curry shrimps. And now I'm going to go to the pot and I'm going to show you the steps that I take to prepare this beautiful dish. And as I said to you, as I have mentioned to you before, shrimps only takes about 5 to 8 minutes to cook. So normally what I do, I would burn the curry, because curry you have to burn, because if you don't, it's going to run your stomach, and we don't want to run your stomach. We don't want to run to the bathroom now, guys. So we're going to burn the curry for at least 5 minutes with the garlic before we put the shrimps in. Because by the time we put the shrimps in, it's just time to take it out. So we don't want to cook it, it's going to be rubbery. And we want to have nice, soft tasting shrimps. Okay guys, so we're going to go to the stove now. And I'm going to throw in 2 cups of oil in my pot. It's already preheated. You can hear a little sizzle there. That means my pot is being heated up already. That little sizzle. So there I have my oil here. And guys, you can use whatever curry you like, whatever choice of curry you like. I'm a sucker for Better Pack. It's a Jamaican version Better Pack. It's really good. It has a really good taste, good flavor, and the color I like. I'm not a lover of very dark curry, but this has a really good taste, so we're going to use the Better Pack today. So about 2.5 teaspoons of curry, we're going to throw that in there, and we're just going to gently stir that till it becomes brown. You see, it's getting brown already. Along with the garlic. I have 3 cloves of chopped garlic here. And I'm just going to give it a toss so you can cook. We don't want to get a belly going. We don't want to get the runs. Like we say in the Caribbean, we don't want to get the belly runs. So you know, you're going to cook that curry down. We don't want to get it too dark either. You keep stirring so it's not going to burn. And we're going to cook on a low stove. You guys can see this. It's just cooking slowly. I'm going to throw in some vegetables in here. I like colorful food. I love my food colorful. I'm just going to leave this for 2 minutes. So guys, you see this? We're just cooking that curry down in the vegetables. And like I said, we're not going to cook it too much. So now I'm going to throw the shrimps into the curry, because it's been burnt out now. I'm just going to stir that. And we can turn the stove up to on a little higher heat at this moment. Then we're going to turn it back down in a few minutes. Some green onions. And I'm going to put a whole hot pepper. I got these in Jamaica. They're very, very spicy. They're very small, but they have that kick to them. I'm going to throw the whole thing in. Jamaican hot pepper. It's not a Scotch bonnet, just another little pepper. So y'all can hear a little sizzle there. And guys, we put a little black pepper in there, just about a teaspoon of black pepper. If you like heat, you can put a whole pepper. You can put as much black pepper as you want. But you always got to consider other people are eating, so you always have to leave space if people want to put a little more pepper for themselves. So this is coming together nicely, as you can see. All that shrimp's in there, all the colors of the peppers and so forth. Some cilantro. I'm just going to put about a half a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Just a little, for a little flavor. You don't want our seafood to be too bland, you know? Everything is coming together nicely. Now this is one of my kids' favorite dishes, so I'm sharing it with you guys, and I really hope you guys like this. Because my kids always love pepper shrimps with rice. You can serve this with anything, bread, rice and peas, even curry skin roti. You can always fold them in there. But today we're going to serve it with a little bit of white rice and a little bit of salad. You know, it's a little dinner. You're going to turn the stove down to about medium and just let this simmer for a few minutes. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of water in here. Just for 2 teaspoons of water, so you get a little bit of gravy to eat your shrimps. We don't want to have it too dry. Oh, this tastes delicious. You see how pretty this looks? Okay guys, I'm going to leave this for 3 minutes to simmer. And then I'm going to plate it out and show you how pretty this looks. So I'll see you guys in 2 minutes. Guys, I'm very excited to show you what we have created together today. There you got it. We have our curried shrimps served with white steamed rice and a garden salad. This could be served or eaten with anything, roti, potatoes, whatever you choose to have it with. Guys, as we come to the end of the show today, if you liked what you've seen, please give a thumbs up, comment, and please don't forget to press that red button. Let's go through this journey of cooking together with Roots Gourmet Kitchen. I look forward to doing many more dishes with you. To you guys, cheers. See you next time. Have a great evening.